Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toy Channel. Another new batch of new arrival from Mini GT. Four new items actually. So obviously the whole box set is here. 20 cars. This is the 1984 Nürburgring Race of Champions set. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do is I will open this one up, all of it, in in a separate episode. Okay, because one similar car came out by itself. This is available just buying one, and this specific car do exist in the box set. However, the difference will be this has the figure, that doesn't have the figure. Okay, and the packaging is slightly different as well, which I'll show you guys in a short while. So I will be unboxing car number 11, which is driven by Senna, and then I will cover this Honda Civic Type R, HRC, and last but not least the Murcielago GT Evo. Okay, all right, so let's get straight to it. Okay, so I've actually got this out of that box already. Limited edition, limited to 5,000 units. Okay, so there's a key difference because I did notice it's a different number. It's the same car, different number, probably because this has a figure. So there's a Mercedes-Benz 1IOE 2.3-16 car number 11. Okay, driven by Ayrton Senna. And Mini GT number 1076. Okay, this is Mini GT number 1035. This comes with a figure. Okay, you can see it's with figure, Senna's figure. Okay, there we go. That's Senna's license as well, Ayrton Senna Institute. Compared to this, only the Mercedes logo. Okay, so slightly different packaging as well. So this is actually specific to the box set. Okay, at the back. So which I'm going to leave it there, because we can that will be in the next episode. So make sure you subscribe, okay, and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to open up all of them up and share it with you guys. Okay, so hang on. Okay, so I'm going to open this. I've already unsealed it. I'm going to take it out together with you guys because I want to just show you how they've included the figure in the packaging. Okay, so it's still on the blister. Hang on. Oh, the figure is inside. I thought it was going to be a separate piece. I thought the figure is going to be freestanding. Okay, so this is from 1984. At the time, Senna was still a rookie. He was a late replacement for Fittipaldi. It was pretty much a wet 12-lap race, and long story short, pretty much Senna dominated the race actually. So this was actually the kind of the entry point that Senna, made his mark. Okay, so the story is this: at that race, May 12th, okay, 20 identical 1IOE was actually put out, and 9 F1 world champions was raced together, and top 5, first place being Senna, okay, and in this iconic helmet. Okay, first place Senna, second was Niki Lauda, third place Reutemann, fourth place was Rosberg, and fifth place was Watson. Okay, so some of the reputable name that was in this race as well. Who else? I think there is I can't recall all the names now. My list is not here. Alright, but in any case, I will cover the whole box set. Okay, I'll talk more about that in the next video. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, all right, so very nice that they have included the headlamps wiper as well, the Mercedes-Benz logo up there, which is quite hard. Okay, so I'm not too worried about bending it. Very nice iconic Mercedes grille. Okay, side view. They have done this 1IOE Evo already, so I would say this is possibly a new casting because this doesn't have that Evo body kit. Okay, Evo, I remember both Evo 1 and Evo 2 will have that slight wide body, so this doesn't have that. Okay, going to the back, very nice Mercedes logo. Tail lights are done properly as well. Okay, pretty cool. So this has Senna figure inside. This is pretty cool actually. This is pretty cool. Okay, so that's the Mini GT 1076. Okay. Next, so I will be opening up this guy as well, so make sure you subscribe, okay, and check out my next video. Next would be the Mini GT number 1079 Honda Civic Type R 2024 Pace Car, okay, for the HRC. HRC actually stands for Honda Racing Corporation. I already got it out. Oh, I'm gonna tilt it down a little bit, right? Yes, there we go. So not a new casting. Quite a few FL5s already. This is not a wide body. We have seen Pop Race do two different versions already. The stock Type R FL5, and there is the racing GT version, okay, which has the crazy wide body, okay, which also has the HRC livery. All right, so this is one of the pace car from last year. Okay. It has the Shell logo at the back. Right. No figure inside this time. Okay. There we go. Not bad. Haven't seen an FL5 from Mini GT for a while. So, do you guys collect the pace car? I don't really exactly collect them. I think at least two FL5 pace car already. One in red and white. Another one I remember is in blue and white. Do you collect those? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay. Next, the Mini GT number 1035. Okay, the Lamborghini LB Silhouette Works Murcielago GT Evo in yellow. So if I'm not mistaken, this is actually the second color. Okay, where is it? I got it out already. Rolling in. Right. Okay, check out those rims. That's one of the first thing that I see. It has some sort of branding on the rims. Oh, okay. I think it's LB Works. Okay, on Yokohama tires. Right. I have a feeling that Yokohama actually sponsor Liberty Walk cars. Hence, nice to see the Yokohama branded tires now, even in 64 scale. Okay. So this is the silhouette style. So silhouette style, it's basically it's a whole entire piece fender. It's not just some bolt-on over fenders. Okay, and it actually replaces almost every exterior panel of this Murcielago. Okay, looks really very crazy. Look at that. The fog lamps down there, headlamps on top. There's a vents in the middle here. Probably additional aero needed. Okay, there's still the Mini GT logo on the front corner. Okay, underneath the crazy skirt with the Liberty Walk logo. Yokohama Liberty Walk, LB logo on top here. Oh, look at the taillights. Very, very cool. See how it extends all the way out, right? Pretty much extends, yeah, pretty much all the way out, rather than, you know, just keeping the position of the taillights with having crazy wide fenders. So that's actually pretty cool. The wing, you need to see the crazy big wing with the fin as well. Okay, and the engine cover details and the intake up here. Very cool. Okay, nicely done. So this will be one of another casting that I will be collecting. I do quite like this yellow color. The first casting was in black. I think because of the color, hence you can't see much of the details, but this is very, very nicely done. Okay, cool, very nice. Okay, so before I end this video, I'll just do a quick show and tell to you guys on the box set, a little teaser of what's coming up next. Okay, so this is actually a huge box. It has the list of the 20 cars in here. All right, so as you can see, it's limited to 5,000 sets only. It has the visual of the cars on the outside, a little bit of story underneath here, Mini GT branding on the side, okay, on the left and right, and there, the list on top. Okay, this is a 1994 Nürburgring Race of Champions set. I think this only happened once, right? Race of Champions, in this kind of form, 20 drivers at one track, because Race of Champions I believe it's still ongoing. I think it's still with the same name, Race of Champions, where it's country versus countries pitted against each other. Yeah, I think that's a different format. So we'll dive a little bit more into that later on. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss out any other scale model videos. Hit the like button as well, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Extras of all of these available through Collectors Qube. They do ship international as well. Even the box set, there is actually one sealed set available through Collectors Qube. Okay, so if you're looking for one, usual place. Cool. That's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.